Okay, so to first take a spoolie and gently comb through your brows. Then you want to take a tweezer. So usually I will pluck out those hair in the middle of my brows because I don't want to shave them off in case they grow back thicker, and I don't want that. And it's so painful to pluck. Oh my god, I hate plucking my eyebrows. Generally for me, I will just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow and I will tweeze away the excess hair below my eyebrow, as you can see over here. So depending on what shape you would like, you can trim up to whatever shape that you prefer. I will take this eyebrow razor to clean out everything in downward motion. Next, I will take this pair of tiny scissors to cut away the longer hair that I have so that my eyebrows look neater.